Just a little reminder of our May 8th collaboration with the Little Pouring Art family. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we're going to do another one of John's specials. He made this out of clay for me. And I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to be using Artist Loft paints, pre-mixed, they're ready mixed pouring paints. And I'll list all the colors below. And let's begin. So we have green. This is sap green. Sap green. Let's start off with sap green. Let's see how this works. Look at that. How exciting. Look at that go. That's amazing. Really amazing. Put a little Amsterdam white over here. I think I'll stick in. You see? Yeah. A little white in between. I think I should have, oh, I have, here's my white. Yeah, we have a couple white over here from yesterday's pour. Could use this. Yeah, we might want to put a little more to get this started, to get the show on the road. And let's add in a little gold. Look how it comes through those holes. Can you see that? And this is turquoise. How cool is that? Just runs right down. Whoops. And next to turquoise, we have bright blue. It's so cool. This is very exciting. Look at that. Put a little more bright blue. Put a little white in between. Quite amazing. And then we have aquamarine, aqua green. I don't have too many of these Artist Loft pre-mixed colors, but that's pretty good. Look at that. So pretty. Looks like a peacock. A little off center. A little off center peacock. That really looks pretty. Look at that. A little white. A little turquoise. It really looks like a peacock. Look at that. Put a little white again. Oh. Oops. A little bright blue. That could be a peacock. Just needs the head over in this end over here. Put a little green, aquamarine green. A little more gold. I think that's about it. I don't think I should put any more. Yeah, I think that's it on the paints. Let's see how this, yeah. Look at that. It's amazing. have to move this to me a little bit. I should have had my spinner here, but I don't. So let me take a little water in this, hopefully that's enough. That looks just like a peacock. I just can't get over this. I'm really amazed. All right, so we could call this the peacock maker. Let's put some white around. And this has some iridescent medium in it, this white. So it should make the colors pop pretty good. I'm wondering if I should get my spinner. Here's my torch. I wonder if I should get my spinner. Maybe I should get my spinner, one little spin, and that might be it. I think I'm gonna get my spinner. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, we're going to go all over everything now. Get my coffee out of the way. Maybe one spin will do it. I hope. Ooh. Wow. That's it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And I didn't wear my gloves today, but this is gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. Wow. All Artist Loft paint. John's flower maker or peacock maker. Look at that. Isn't that great? Handmade, just for me. And we have a beautiful peacock here. Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Let's not forget Galaxy Pour. May the 4th be with you. We have 13, possibly 14. I'm waiting for one more answer today. Possibly 14 artists that will be joining us next week. So, I don't know, it's going to be a great time. Just look in the description below and you'll see everything there. So this is a great pour. I love all these colors. Thank you so much. It's great having you today. See you tomorrow. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.